Please say aye.
The Waqf bill has successfully sailed through both the houses of parliament despite strong objections from the opposition.
I think ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clause 46 is adopted.
But the India bloc is showing visible cracks in its strategy to counter the bill. After Congress, now AIMIM and AAP have moved to the Supreme Court challenging the Waqf bill, but ally Shiv Sena UBT is charting its own course.
हमने हमारा काम कर दिया है, हमको जो कहना था, हमको जो बोलना था, हमको जो निर्णय लेना था हमने लिया है, अब हमारे लिए ये फाइल बंद हो गई है.
While Shiv Sena is distancing from the legal battle, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis turning up the heat, urging the party to uphold Bal Thackeray's ideology and support the bill instead. Meanwhile, another party, the Nationalist Congress Party Sharad Pawar faction, is facing flack for its muted participation in the Waqf bill debate. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi has called the bill a direct attack on Muslims, warning it could set a dangerous precedent for other communities. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, a key India bloc ally, has launched a scathing attack on the BJP, saying it will prove to be a Waterloo moment for the BJP.
कि वक्फ के लिए जो कानून लेकर के आए हैं, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए वाटरलू साबित होगी.
And in Bihar, as election heat picks up, RJD's Tejasvi Yadav is drawing clear battle lines, promising that his government will not implement the Waqf amendment if voted to power.
सरकार बनाकर के इस कानून को कूड़ेदान में फेंकना, जो अन्याय जो हो रहा है हमारे मुसलमान भाइयों के साथ, इसको लेकर के राष्ट्रीय जनता दल जो है, आज हम लोग कोर्ट गए हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए हैं इस बिल के खिलाफ.
Be it the absence of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra from the parliamentary proceedings, the lack of participation by Rahul Gandhi in the debates, the absence of Sharad Pawar from Rajya Sabha, or the recent statement by Sanjay Raut on UBT not taking a judicial route as far as Waqf Board amendment is concerned, gives us enough hints to believe that the opposition is not on the same page on this particular matter. While the senior leaders from India bloc continue to believe that they're all fighting against the Waqf amendment together, the reality seems otherwise. With senior camera person Arjun Chikkali, this is Anuj Rai reporting for NDTV from Mumbai.